In this new video, I am going to tell you about 10 kids who changed the world. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. Number 10. Greta Thunberg. You probably heard of this environmental activist after her passionate speech at the UN Climate Summit. Greta began by protesting to the Swedish parliament in an effort to get them to do more to prevent climate change. She went on to organize Fridays for Future, a school climate strike movement. As of 2019, more than 1 million students participated in a multi-city coordinated protest for stronger action against climate change. Number 9. Nicholas Lovenger. When Nicholas was a tween, he met a brother and a sister experiencing homelessness. The pair took turns going to school because they shared only one pair of shoes. Nicholas gave the boy a pair of his own shoes and thus kicked off an organization known as Gotta Have Soul, through which footwear has been donated to over 99,000 children in homeless shelters. Number 8. Jalen Arnold. After being diagnosed with Tourette syndrome and OCD, Jalen was bullied by peers for being different. He found that the anxiety he suffered from the bullying worsened the symptoms of his disabilities. That's what led Jalen to found the Jalen Challenge Foundation, which has educated more than 100,000 children on recognizing bullying behavior and understanding each other's differences. Number 7. Malala Yousafzai. At 17, Malala became the youngest Nobel Prize laureate for her humanitarian efforts. She captured the world's attention after being shot by the Taliban in Pakistan on her way to school because she was an advocate for women pursuing education. She has completed her bachelor's degree at Oxford while continuing her charity work through her organization, the Malala Fund. Number 6. Samantha Smith. Samantha was only 10 when she eased Cold War tensions between the US and Russia with a single letter. She wrote a letter to the CPSU suggesting that both countries could coexist peacefully, which ended up getting published in the Soviet newspaper. The CPSU responded by inviting Samantha and her parents to visit his country. This experience earned her the role of America's youngest ambassador, and she later brought her message of peace to Japan. Number 5. Iqbal Masih. Iqbal was a Pakistani boy who escaped child slavery at 10 years old and became a leader in the movement to put an end to it once and for all. He helped over 3,000 children escape slavery and traveled the globe speaking out against the issue. Iqbal was assassinated when he was 12 and a lot of people attended his funeral. However, his legacy lives on well beyond his death because in 2009, Congress named an annual award in his name given to activists fighting to end child labor. Number 4. Bana Al-Abid. Young people using social media may not seem like a good idea, but one look at Bana's Twitter page will change your mind. At just 7 years old, she documented her life in war-torn Syria to call attention to the atrocities happening there. With some assistance from her mother, Bana has called upon world leaders to take action upon the problem. Number 3. Anne Frank. The teenage diarist was killed in 1945, but the words she put down in her notebook while her family was in hiding during World War II have proven to be timeless. It's a literary reminder of the horrors of war and hate through the eyes of a young girl. Anne's diary has been translated into more than 60 languages since its original publication in 1947. Number 2. Geeta Anjali Rao. Geeta Anjali was awarded $25,000 at 11 years old for inventing a device that can detect lead in drinking water. She believes that her device is totally accurate and would also be very affordable. This invention earned her the title of America's top young scientist. Number 1. Louis Braille. Louis was only 12 when he learned of a communication system used by the French army, which laid the groundwork for his own system of reading and writing used by the blind. He completed his alphabet of raised dots by the time he was 15. It has since spread throughout the world and is still in use today for blind people. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.